Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I would like to detail explanation about malleable cast iron. So let us start the behavior of malleable cast iron. So as from the microstructure view of malleable cast irons, so the white cast iron is very hard and brittle. Hence, it is not used for very thin articles, very light, and the articles which are subjected to shock and vibrations. Hence, the white cast irons is heated and malleable cast irons are manufactured. So due to the higher hardness and brittleness which will be present into the white cast irons. So just you can heat the white cast irons up to the certain limits, and after making some processes, and it will be the manufacturing of malleable cast irons. So by the application of the heat treatment process, so the white cast irons, it will be converting into the malleable cast irons. So in this heat treatment process, the combined forms separates in the form of the very fine dividing graphites, or you can say it will be known as a tempered carbon. So Fe3C, or you can say cementite, that will be now converting into 3Fe plus C, that means carbon in the form of graphites. So this reaction take place as above the eutectoid temperatures to make a tempered carbon into the malleable cast iron structure. So basically, two different methods are used for malleabilizing the castings. First method, that will be white hot malleabilizations, and second one, that will be black hot. So into the first method of white hot malleabilizations. So the white hot malleable casting slower white fracture with a soft and ductile decarburized ferritic skin. The structure of casting consists of a white surface layer with a module of tempered carbon in a ferritic, or you can say pearlitic matrix. The ferritic or pearlitic matrix are decided by the degree of malleabilization treatment. White hot malleable castings are produced by the annealing, or you can say malleabilizing, in an oxidizing atmosphere. So by which the result in decarburizations of the surface of the castings. So that will be for the white hot malleabilization method. Suppose I want to talk about black hot. So what happens? The black hot malleable casting shows a black fracture without any degree of decarburization of the surface. The structure is same from the surface towards the center of the castings, and the structure consists of the nodules of tempered carbon into a ferritic matrix. So they are produced by the annealing, or you can say malleabilizing process in an inert atmospheres. So first one, that will be utilization as a oxidizing atmosphere into the black, that will be the inert atmosphere. So in case of the black hot, the decarburization is prenatant. So the pearlitic matrix malleable cast irons are known as a pearlitic malleable irons. So this can be obtained by control the decompositions of the combined carbon of Fe3C, or you can say cementite, which can be done by rapid cooling from 760 degrees centigrade to the room temperature. So this rapid cooling prevents the dissociation of cementite associated with the pearlitic, or you can say alpha ferrite plus cementite. Further heat treatment can be given to the pearlitic malleable iron to harden and temper to produce a tempered martensite. So due to the such kind of structure, it will be made by the white hot malleabilizations, or you can say black hot. So such kind of malleable cast irons which will be having a good machinability, excellent castability, and a good tensile strength around 28 kgf per mm square to 70 kgf per mm square. So due to that good malleability, that will be having a elongation capacity up to the 2% to 18%. And such kind of properties is being present into the malleable cast irons. So it will be having a wide applications in the field of mechanical engineering. So now we will discussing with the applications of malleable cast iron. steering brackets, support brackets, various camshafts, fittings for the railway carriages, agriculture equipments, pipe fittings and many more. So that will be all regarding for malleable cast irons. So if you like this, then subscribe and share Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. Thank you so much and keep watching.